Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm not gonna play you a song, but today I'm gonna do a little unboxing for you because I have ordered something and it just came in the mail. It's a little package, as you can see. I already went ahead and opened up the envelope, but let's see what's inside. So what I have here is a little note. Hi, and thanks for grabbing our Pickgrip. Big love, Sammy. Hope you can read this. So that's nice, a little personal touch. And then inside is the Pickgrip. It's Sammy's iconic thumb grip with the felt pick inside. And this is a universal thing. It's made together with Openhagen. They are in Copenhagen. So let's see what's actually inside this little box here. The first ukulele thumb grip. That's what it says. The contents are also on the package. 1 pick grip and 4 felt picks. So let's take a look. With love from Copenhagen. Don't know if you can read this on the box. So if I open this up, this is what I get. And inside is, hope you can see it, little thumb grip. And 1, 2, 3, 4 felt picks. They're all the same. There's no text on them, no branding whatsoever, just nice white felt picks. And let's see how this works. So this is supposed to go over your thumb. I'm just figuring this out right now as we go. That's how it works. So you put the felt pick inside first and then slide it over your thumb. Properly position the pick itself, and that feels nice and sturdy and comfortable as well. It's not too tight, it's not too loose. I think that doesn't seem to be going anywhere. Usually when I play the ukulele, I use my index finger, my nail, for the down strum. So I'm going to do that right now. And then the soft fleshy bit for the up strum. Something going on in the jungle behind me. Must be a cat. But anyway, let's now try it with the Pickgrip itself. As you can hear, much softer, nice and delicate. That's the finger, the fingernail to be precise. That's the felt pick. And I'm liking the sound, but now if you know Sammy, aka 4-string boy, you may have heard about this lazy strum, which is a down strum with the felt pick and an up strum with the index finger. And that's something I'm going to have to really get used to. And now, something that's truly iconic for Sammy, it's the harmonics. So let's see if I can get them done with this felt pick, especially since I'm using it for the first time, so can't guarantee you anything, but I think it's going to take a lot of practice right now. For a first attempt with the thumb grip, I'm really liking it. But I'm going to practice on that, and I'm going to practice some more songs with this thumb grip. But first impressions, really impressive. I'm really liking it. I'm going to learn to play with this thing now. Right, thanks for watching.